Hi guys, today I'm gonna remove the password and the pattern lock from the Lenovo K5 Play. As you can see, I don't know the password. So it's saying that try again in 239 seconds. So what you have to do is that you have to just power off your phone first of all. It's shutting down. Okay, now it's shut down. Now what you have to do is that you have to install the Miracle Thunder. I will give you the link of this crack in the description below. You have to also install the Qualcomm USB drivers so that your phone can connect it. Okay, so as you can see, Miracle Thunder edition, it's version 2.82 and it was cracked by GSM Extreme. So what do you have to do is that you have to go to the Qualcomm tab, and then there the read format flash, and as you can see that there's my file I have extracted. Okay,
description.
this will be also in the description, okay, the link of this file. So you have to just turn off the auto programmer and you have to select, you have to go to the file. I have selected the file into the desktop, so I'm going to the desktop. Now the first one, okay, the DDR ambient, okay, double click and that's done. Now what you have to do is that you have to go into the safe mode and the factory reset. Okay, now what you have to do is that you have to hold and press the volume up and volume down button. So I am holding and pressing, and I am okay. As you can see, the drivers, okay, this is the Qualcomm HS USB Q loader. Okay, now what you have to do is that you have to just scan for the ports. Okay, that's the driver, and now just do the start button. It's loading the boot. Okay, now it's done. So until it got boot up, so as you can see, it's booted up. Now we have to just select the language. Okay, the English, done. Sorry, the English. Okay, 1 sec please. Okay, now just let's go, skip it. Okay, so as you can see, that's your phone, and that's completely. If you have a FRP, so what you have to do is that you have to just go into the boot mode by pressing both the volume up and down, and then you have to just select the FRP method 1 and you have to just do the start button. You will have your phone without FRP, and you will just remove them. So as you can see, that's the Lenovo L38011, the model number, and it's Lenovo K5 Play. So be sure to like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel. Peace on.